What's up? Today, I'm making a video. It's kind of late now. It's like dark out. I'm making a video on an unboxing. I'm not gonna show you setting it up because it usually takes like 30 or an hour or 50 minutes. Because I did one on Ghostface, and that took a while, and we didn't even finish it. We had to put it into a different video. But I'll just show the box off, what's inside of it, and then I'll just build it off camera, so it's a short video. But we got Bag of Bones from Spirit. He was on sale because they had a sale today. He was $150 instead of $180, so I feel like that's really good because $180 just seems too much. And yeah, so let's see what's inside. I will now open it. All right, we unboxed him, and the things that comes in the box is the instructions, the whole burlap sack with all the things that makes it work, the adapter, 2 poles for the burlap sack, and the skeleton that does all the things. So yeah, me and my dad are gonna set it up, and then we'll just show it in action. Alright guys, we finished setting it up. He is now working. We had a slight error, but we fixed it, so now he's working. Let me show you. And my dog got scared. It's creepy. And he glows up in the dark. Alright. Now give me a second to show you him in the dark. Alright, now this is him next to the 2 lanterns I got. And this is him working in the dark. So yeah, this is the video. My first unboxing of 2022. The dog's scared of it. My first unboxing of the Bag of Bones for this year. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bells to see more of my videos, because another one will be coming soon about Halloween animatronics. Goodbye.